Hey everybody, Mr. On Demand, man with the master plan, back again. I want you to tell me down below if this product has come to your Walmart in your area or if you're interested in buying one. This is mostly a US only, although I hear these products are now in Canada. So let's go ahead and talk about this new product that is being pushed out. And if you're interested, I will do a full unboxing and review of this product in a soon unreleased video. I am backed up on a few projects and a few videos I need to do at the moment, and I will be getting to this. But I wanted to talk about this real quick. Walmart's quietly stocking its stores around the U.S. with its new ONN 4K Plus Google TV streaming box, and it slots beneath the ONN 4K Pro and delivers excellent computing performance while carrying an unbeatable $30 price tag. It recently listed its latest Google TV stream box, the ONN 4K Plus, on its website. While that listing has been taken down, the retail store now has the new box available for purchase at some of its physical locations. Multiple users on Reddit have confirmed the availability of the ONN 4K Plus box at their local Walmart stores in the US. As revealed on the web listing, the ONN 4K Plus is retailing at $29.88 as it's positioned between the standard ONN 4K and the much pricier 4K Pro. Now, the 4K Pro is about $50. It's an absolutely terrific box. The cheaper one only has 8 gig of storage. The Pro has 32, and this is supposed to slot in with 16 gig of storage. So it actually could be a perfect option for a lot of people, considering that 16 gig is right where I think the entry level should be for people. The 4K Plus itself is rather unspectacular. Hands-on images of the box shared by Redditor Firefighter8210 shows it with a design identical to that of its siblings. It retains the 2 gig of RAM and 16 gig of storage on the base ONN 4K, but delivers better performance than the Amlogic 905X5 powering it. 2 ports are present, an HDMI 2.1 port and a USB-C port. So this isn't going to have a standard USB port, no Ethernet port. It's just your base box with those 2 ports on it. Although it does support, I have read that you can put a USB hub on it and you can expand it that way. So that is one way to expand it as well, everybody. According to the source, the ONN 4K Plus isn't expected to be released officially for 2 weeks. That said, those looking to pick up a unit may have some luck checking out Walmart locations close to them. Hands-on images of the ONN 4K Plus below, courtesy of Firefighter. So, yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look at these images. That's what the box looks like. There it is out of the retail box. There is the USB-C and HDMI. And there's the cables. There it is sitting inside the box. So pretty standard looking. So let me know what you guys all think about this new box. I think it's great, a great option here in the United States. I think it's a perfect entry level box. I think it will handle just about everything most people need in a streaming device. If you're wanting a device a little more powerful that does a lot more, there's a lot of options out there. I'm not going to go over all of that information in this video. I just think it's a good option for many of you to look at. I personally have several of the Pro boxes, and they're good boxes. They stream great. They work great. Compatibility is great. When it comes down to it, it's a good box. You can actually change the launcher. You can get rid of the ads. It's got a lot of nice features in it. So everybody, let me know what you think down below. Leave me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also go ahead and, if you didn't like it, let me know also. Leave a comment down below. I mean, tell me off. Tell me this video was no good. Tell me you don't like the ONN boxes. I don't care. Any comment is good for me. It helps the algorithm. So I'll see you guys next time. You guys all have a terrific day. Bye-bye for now.